So today we're gonna talk about the naming of alkene and alkyne. So we have already seen the naming of an alkane, a complex substituent, and the cyclic alkane. Now we're gonna move forward with the alkene and alkyne naming. So what the first rule? We have to select the longest carbon-carbon chain having maximum number of double or triple bond. So we have to select the longest carbon chain which have maximum number of double and triple bond. So number them in such a way that either double bond or triple bond gets least count, or we can say it as the lowest locant. So we have to name them according to their lowest locant. Now if we have substituent and we have double and triple bond, then what will be the case? So in that case, substituents like methyl, ethyl, okay, chloro, bromo, fluoro, nitro, etc. that has less priority as compared to double and triple bond. So if we have same number substituent on the same number, and if we have on the same number of double or triple bond, multiple bond, then we will be giving priority to the multiple bond. Now moving further, like if I write this one, and here we have a double bond. So we will be naming like the substituent and double bond, triple bond. We also always give the priority to double and triple bond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be 4,4 dimethyl pent 1 in 4,4 dimethyl pent 1 in. Now if we have a compound like this, 1, 2, 3, if we have bromine here, 4, 5, 6. So it will be 4 bromo hex 2 in. Now if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, we will be naming the double bond with the starting carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. We won't be naming is like 2, 4. It is not the naming. We will be naming where the first double bond occurred. So the naming will be 1, 3 will be the correct name. So its name will be pent 1, 3 diene. So that will be the correct name, right? Now if we have double and triple bond together, so here the double bond is coming to the least prior. So we will be numbering from this side 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it will be naming. We will be naming it like non 2, 2 in. Wait a second. Non 2 in and 6 ein, because it is a substituent, not substituent. It is a suffix. If we see the 1 degree suffix, so it is with n in ein, and 2 degree suffix will be the functional group. So here non 2 in 6 ein. So actually there is a rule you have to remember always. This is most important. Remove first one if both consecutives are A, E, I, O, U, Y. So here E and Y are coming together. So we have to remove this first A. Okay, we have to So it is non 2 in 6 ine. Remember, it is very important. Remove the first one if both consecutives are A, E, I, O, U, Y. It is not vowels, it is A, E, I, O, U and Y. Like if, but what is the case? We have the same double bond and triple bond. So in case of double bond, we'll get the priority. Now there is nothing conceptual. It is rule given by IUPAC. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is pend 1 EN 4 YNE. Remember, we have to remove the E. Now, if we have the alkene as a substituent, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now it is 4 ethene 9 4 ethene, then ENE. Okay, ENE and Y. Look what I am saying, ENE, then YLV. But we have to remove E because two consecutives are coming together, E and Y. So 4 ethynyl hept 1,6 and not 1,6 diene. Hept ethynyl 1,6 diene. Now if we have the as alkyne as a substituent, suppose CH triple bond CH, then we remove H, so it will become the C triple bond CH ethynyl. We will be naming it as ethynyl. Like it is ethynyl, we will be naming it as a ethynyl.